the greatest beautiful name of Almighty Allah, who is the Rahman and Rahim, all praise and admiration to the Allah who has created death and life to test you. This is the God who changes the day into night and night into days. This is the God whose boundaries cannot be calculated by the calculators. I am really thankful to my honorable teacher who has given me this wonderful chance to come on the dais in front of you, my powerful teacher, beloved brother and sisters. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sababas by Kaskali. Today my topic is my best teacher. Teacher are the one who build a good nation and make world better place. My best teacher is called Sir Ghulam Mustafa. He teaches English, Hindi and mathematics. I admire him because he is well prepared in advance for our lesson. He is like a friend that helps us in all our troubles. He always to do our best to achieve our goals. Is the chance to excel much pressure on us.